Good day, my name is Brenda. I'm from the Barcelona program in English, and I will be doing the description of the my best friend. Let us begin. All about she. She is my best friend. Her name is Geraldine. She is 21 years old. She has black hair, small black eyes, and is short. And she is very intelligent and likes study. She just graduated and has social worker and their likes. Number one, food. She likes pizza, pasta, and sometimes eating healthy. And she takes great care of herself. Number two, hobbies. She likes to read, and she does her day and exercise from time to time. And there are dislikes. Number one, she doesn't like to wait. She doesn't have patience. She doesn't like hypocritical people, and she doesn't like being taken by surprise. And number two, food. She doesn't like the smell of onion and beige. And when small. She called good Daisy. She called travel alone before, and she can't stand up late. She will be able to make decision for herself. And thank you very much.